In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix background effects not working or showing on Teams. So if you open up your Teams and if you're like in a meeting or something, so you're trying to um, like add some backgrounds, like to change your background effects. So if you can't really see this option here where you can like add more effects and backgrounds, so that's might be because check your Teams version. So might your Teams might be not up to date, might be outdated. So go to your browser and look for the latest version of the Microsoft Teams, and then the Teams application, just install it. Okay, try to update your application because that might fix up the bug. Okay, try to do that. Okay, and if it still doesn't work, so what you can do, you can try to manually. Sometimes there is no there might be some issue with the files for folders, so you can manually like add backgrounds to these. So on your search bar here, type in Prestige app data. Okay, so just type in Prestige app data, Prestige, just type that in and then search for it, and then open up the folder. And once you open up the folder here, look for Microsoft here and then select Teams. Okay, when you select Teams here, so go to the Teams folder and see if you can find any background folders there. If you find any background folders, just open it and add your backgrounds there. And that might, and once you've done that, if you relaunch Teams, that might reflect or might show up now. And if you're still having issue, what you can do is you can try to like uninstall. So go to your computer's applications and then uninstall Teams, and then try to reinstall the Teams. Restart your computer and reinstall the Teams, and then restart your computer and see if that works. And finally, if you're still having issue, then that might be an issue with your device, because Teams might not be like that feature might not be available on your device as of yet. So in that case, there's nothing much you can do, so just other than to wait. Okay, but you can finally just try to reinstall and see, because most probably that will fix up the issue.